If you're scared of heat printing high-vis jackets or tops, stop. We've got the answer for you. Workwear is one of the largest markets for heat printers in the UK, with an estimated market value of over 284 million. For safety regulations, most of these garments are high visibility. But regardless of garment type, these employees still need to be branded. If you have a heat press, don't overlook this market. There's a real misconception out there that these particular products just need a cheap finish because they're going onto a construction site and they're having a hard life. This is simply not true, because if you're using the right heat transfers, you're going to get a great finish that feels good for the wearer, and it's going to wash time after time after time. And in today's videos, I'm going to show you how to print onto these high-vis items, how to get a long-lasting finish, and how to avoid scorch marks on all of them. When you're printing for workwear, you're going to be printing for the whole site, and chances are they're going to have lots of layers in that workwear. So you're going to be ordering lots of single color logos, and you're going to want to order in bulk to get the best possible price. So as you can see here, I'm heat printing with a pillow today. Because this workwear top has lots of seams, I really want to make sure they just sink into the pillow and I'm getting a perfect application on the decoration area. If you're working with a particularly heat sensitive product, or perhaps it's using some recycled polyester, we recommend using a grip flex sheet here to avoid scorching. For best results, I recommend Inktra screen printed plastisol transfers. We do have a blocker version of it available too. It has such a nice hand feel, so no matter what the construction job is, it's going to feel great for them. It's going to last wash after wash, guarantee these for 75 plus washes. And because of that wash quality, it's perfect for outdoor use, wear after wear after wear. So as you could see in this video, it couldn't have been easier to decorate this high-vis top. There's no scorching, there's profit potential because of the size of this market, and there's construction everywhere in the UK. So this is a big profit potential product for you. And if you're not already offering workwear and high-vis, you really need to make sure you get the most from this opportunity.